Welcome to another session. In this session, I have a talk about very small portion of the ecological pyramid, that is the biomass pyramid. What is the meaning of biomass? Biomass, this is the weight of the single individual or the mass of single individual, and here the mass of single individual, which may be estimated by three forms. If you take the weight mass, which is known as the one type of biomass, or you may take the dry mass, or you may take the ash-free dry mass. So this is the weight of the single individual. You may take the weight mass or dry mass or the ash-free dry mass. You can take any one of them. So this is the mass of the single individual. If you multiply it by number of individuals present in a certain ecosystem. Suppose that we are talking about the grassland ecosystem. So how many number of individuals present in a particular trophic level? So number of individuals present in a certain ecosystem or the certain trophic level, of ecosystem, which is known as biomass. So the total mass of the individuals of certain trophic level of the particular ecosystem, which is known as the biomass. So the graphical representation of the quantitative relationship in a term of biomass of the particular ecosystem, which is known as the biomass pyramid, So now take the one example. Let's take one example. Suppose that in case of forest ecosystem, there are so many numbers of big trees. And the number is more, and the weight, suppose that the weight of the big trees, which is about 10,000 kg. This is the biomass of the producer in the forest ecosystem. So this is the big tree which form the producer level. This is the first trophic level. And such big tree which support so many number of herbivores, like elephant, like deers. So the weight may be, suppose that the weight may be the 5,000 kg. So the herbivores, the 5,000 kg of the biomass of herbivores, which support the another group of animals, another trophic level, that is the carnivores. Suppose that the carnivores, and so many number of carnivores are present. Suppose that the tiger or lion present, and the weight about 1,000 kg. Suppose that this is the biomass. If you draw the graph, then you find, suppose that this is the base, which form the base. This is the first trophic level. The amount is 10,000 kg. Suppose that this is the 10,000 kg. This is the first trophic level. This is the first trophic level, and this is the producer, which support 5,000 kg biomass. So 5000 kg. The biomass of the herbivores, this is the second trophic level, and these are the herbivores. If you put the another value of the another trophic level, that is the carnivores, which support the 5000 kg of biomass of herbivores, which support 1000 kg of biomass of carnivores. So this is the third trophic level, and this is the carnivores. If another tough carnivore present, the amount obviously which will gradually reduced into, suppose that 100 or 1 or the, suppose that this is the 500 kg. 500 kg. So that is the, suppose that this is the fourth trophic level. So there is the gradual decreasing of biomass from producer level to tough carnivore level. So this is the which is possible in case of forest ecosystem as well as in case of grassland. In case of grassland ecosystem. So grassland ecosystem, and in case of forest ecosystem, we get the upright type of pyramid. This is the upright biomass pyramid, which is possible only in case of forest ecosystem as well as grassland ecosystem. Similarly, in case of grassland ecosystem, we can find this type of upright biomass pyramid. Now take the another example. Now I am going to take the another example, which is the pond ecosystem. Pond ecosystem. In case of pond ecosystem, that is the producer, the phytoplanktons. The phytoplanktons which form the producer trophic level, and the first consumer, they may be the zooplanktons, and the second consumer level, in case of pond, they may be the small fishes or small insects. In case of third trophic level, in case of tertiary consumers, they may be the large fishes. So in case of pond, these are the different trophic levels. This is the producer level, this is the first trophic level, second trophic level, third trophic level, and the fourth trophic level. The phytoplanktons which form the producer level, the number is more, and the weight or the biomass may be 100 kg. And the zooplanktons, the number of zooplanktons may be more than the phytoplanktons, and the biomass, it may be more. Suppose that the biomass may be 1000 kg. And the second consumer, the small fishes and the insects which form the second consumer or the third trophic level, here the biomass may be 2000, suppose that. And the large fishes which form the third consumer or the fourth trophic level, and here the biomass of the fourth trophic level or the third consumer may be the 3000 kg. So if you observe the figure, then you find that there is the gradual increasing of weight of the biomass. There is the gradual increasing of biomass. So now I am going to draw the graph. So this is the 100 kg. This is the 100 kg of the phytoplanktons, and this is the producer level or the first trophic level, and the second trophic level, which is the zooplankton, the number is 1000 kg, which is much bigger than the first trophic level. And this is the second trophic level. And if you draw another trophic level on the above, the second trophic level, which is the third trophic level, and the figure is the third trophic level, which is the 2000 kg, and this is the third trophic level, and you put the figure on the above to the third trophic level, which is the fourth trophic level, and the figure is the 3000. The figure is 3000 kg. So the first trophic level, the figure is 100 kg. Second trophic level, the biomass is 1000 kg. The third trophic level, the biomass is 2000 kg. And the fourth trophic level, the number is the 3000 kg. So here, if you observe, the pyramid which becomes inverted. So the biomass pyramid, in case of pond ecosystem, the biomass pyramid which is inverted shape. But in case of grassland and in case of forest ecosystem, the biomass pyramid which is the upright shape. The upright pyramid is possible in case of forest ecosystem, in case of grassland ecosystem, but in case of pond ecosystem, the biomass pyramid which is inverted in shape. The number is more, but the weight is very less because of the minute size of the phytoplanktons. Thank you for watching.